cook Sayote. I feel like I said that wrong. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna cook Ginisang Sayote. Dito Galunggong. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna be cooking Ginisang Sayote and fried Galunggong. So these are the ingredients. This is Galunggong, but we have to salt it later, so we're gonna show you how to salt it so you can do it too. Sayote, pork belly, onion, garlic, tomato, fish sauce, and oil. And later we will add pepper to taste. So if you're wondering why there's no salt on the Galunggong, that's because the Galunggong is not clean and we need to clean it, and we'll show you how to clean it. So guys, let's clean the fish now.
You want to clean it?
Yep.
Let's go.
Now we're gonna clean the Galunggong. Now, so my mom will do the first one, then we'll do the second one together, and then I'll do the rest.
Okay, so you open the water, tapos you wash it. Look closely, okay? Yeah, see, it's done, right? And then there's more here.
Is that choky kind of thing?
Yeah, so you have to see your pointy finger. There's a hole there, here. So you press it like that.
Blood squirts out.
And then you make a hole on the side, and then the print is there. So this is the body, so you have to, and then you wash it, and done.
Okay, so my mom just did one. Now we're gonna do two together.
No, it's okay. It's fine. It's your first time. Okay. So let me see.
Wow.
And yeah, perfect. So ta-da!
That's how you clean the fish. You rip out its fins.
Okay, now you do the rest.
Now I'll do the rest. Sorry, little guy. I feel like I'm washing the fishes. Okay, perfect?
Perfect.
Is this good?
Yep.
Do I wash it now?
Yep.
And I think I'm done. So now we're done cleaning the fish, and we're gonna salt it. No, this is not a sticko, I wish, but this is where we keep this salt. So we're gonna put on the salt. This is how Filipino moms do it. Some Filipino moms, but my mom is Filipino, and this is how she does it. Do it, I mean, okay. Now now you have to turn it back and you put salt on the other side. Okay, so now you have to scrub it. You can hear my baby sister from the background. This is how you scrub it so it can get on the head. So we're done with the fish and now we're going to cook the Ginisang Sayote. Let's put this aside. Aside. Now the pan is hot and we're going to add the oil. So you have to make sure the pan is coated with oil. So the oil is hot enough, now we're going to put the pork belly. Now you have to saute it and turn inside the pork belly. So as you can see, the pork belly is turning a little brown, but we really want it to be brown, so we're going to keep sauteing this. Once this is fully cooked, we will remove it and put in the garlic, onion, and tomato and start sauteing it. Now you have to turn the stove low and then we will remove this. So my mom helped me remove the pork belly since it's like popping out and I'm not ready for that. So we're gonna put this aside. Now let's saute garlic, onions, and tomato. I added the onion. Onions and garlic are cooked. We're gonna add the tomatoes. Thanks, Mom. We'll cover this for 2 minutes, and once the tomatoes is cooked, we'll add the pork belly back. I think the tomatoes are cooked, and now we will add the pork belly. There we go, we add the pork belly. I stir one more time.
Good job, girl.
Thank you.
Wait.
So let's add the fish sauce. Now let's add the sayote. Be careful. I haven't cooked this many things at the same time, so this is exciting for me. Now you have to put this like a half a cup of water. Then we're going to cover it for 7 to 10 minutes and then it'll be done. Then we'll cook the fish. Let's add the water. Put it down. Now let's cover it and wait 7 to 10 minutes. While we're waiting for the sayote to cook, we will heat the pan for the galunggong or the fish.
While we're waiting for the sayote, can you sing for us?
Maybe. I don't know, can I?
Just 2 lines.
At the edge of the water, as long as I can remember. I may have said those lyrics wrong, sorry Disney. Give a final stir and the sayote will be done. Yay! So guys, if you're not comfortable doing this by yourself, make sure you have an adult with you because the oil might splatter you. It did splatter me and my mom, so. So I put one. I'm not really ready for the oil thing, but yeah. So I think we have to wait 5 to 7 minutes to cook, and for each side, so then we'll be done. So it'll either be done in 10 minutes or 14. So let's see. So when you're frying, make sure the oil is really hot so the fish does not stick on the pan. So now the fish is done, we will turn it. I'm scared. Wow, I failed flipping the fish because of the oil. It kept on popping everywhere. So, but it's okay. There's always a next time. But at least I learned how to clean the fish. So, something good came out of it. So this is the real challenge since I don't really eat gulay. Hey, don't judge me. I know I'm not the only one in the world who doesn't eat gulay. Because I do like meat, so it's gonna try it. I'm scared. It tastes sweet. Oh look, there's pepper on here. So, to be honest, I don't really eat the fat and stuff, so I'm trying a whole lot of new things here. Is this even gulay?
Do you like it?
How's that weird taste? I don't know what it tastes like. Well, I know what this tastes like. It tastes like sanyon, like sanyon. I don't know what that word is, but it tastes like that.
Did you expect it to be sweet?
No. I expected it to be bitter. And I would deal with that. I'm like, okay, I can eat something bitter, but then this is actually more sweet than I thought it would be, so. I won't consider this a favorite, but it's an okay. Thank you guys for watching me cook like Ginisang, Sayote, and fried Galunggong. And I hope you guys really like this video. Please like and subscribe for more content. Bye! So if you stayed here this long, this is a secret. But I didn't really fry the Galunggong because it was like boiling hot with the oil. And I was too nervous, so don't judge me. I cleaned it. Man, I'm still really proud that I cooked the sayote.
I know, I'm proud too.